Do you want to add someone on your Facebook page as an admin, but you don't know where to click or how to do that? In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Let's go.
So right now I am on my Facebook page. I need you to know that it has to be a Facebook page, not Facebook personal profile, because there's a big difference between the two. So this is my page. What I will have to do now is click on this my name here. So it will show me my profile. Then I come down to settings here. So wait for it to load. Then I scroll down to page setup. Click on page setup. Then I will click on page access. This is We have two types. There's Facebook access where you want the admin to have complete access, which means they have the ability to delete the page. They have permissions to do a lot of things on the page. But if you want to limit their access rather, you give them tax access, which means they cannot delete the page, they cannot edit certain things on the page. Only you as the main owner can have access to it. So I'm going to give him full access. And before you, in so in order to make it easier for you right here, you have to make sure that you are friends with the person on your personal Facebook page, on your personal Facebook profile rather, instead of your Facebook page. Make sure you are friends with the person on your personal Facebook, so it will be easier to type their name. So the name I will type here, you can see now, this is the person here. We are both friends on my personal Facebook page, which is easier for me to see. So I'll come here. I allow person to have full control. I can limit it or not, but I want the person to have full control. I'll click give access. It's going to request for your password, so make sure you put it. This is it now. I've given the person the access. So the person that you give the access to the page, you have to inform that person that they should go to their own personal Facebook page to accept the invite, which I will do here. So you can see right here. You can see right here. I can see the invite here. So I have 30 days to accept the invite, which I must accept. So I'm going to review the invite. Then I will click on next. I will accept right here. Now that is all. Once you renew this,
And that is it. They just need to go to their Facebook notification to accept the invite. I think the invite expires in 30 days. So make sure that they accept that invite in less than 30 days. So if this is helpful, kindly subscribe and drop a like or comment. Thank you.